What really happens inside your body while you sleep? While you sleep. The answer is far more amazing than you think. Every night, your body begins an incredible process of repair and recovery. Your brain never truly sleeps. It stays busy organizing memories and processing information. During deep sleep, your brain removes waste that builds up throughout the day. Your heart keeps beating while your blood pressure and heart rate naturally slow down. Your muscles recover from daily activity and repair tiny injuries while you rest. Your immune system becomes more active, helping your body fight infections.
Healthy sleep also helps regulate important hormones that control hunger and metabolism.
But what happens if you don't get enough sleep? The effects can be serious.
As you fall into deep sleep, your brain waves slow down, allowing your body to recover more efficiently.
During deep sleep, damaged cells are repaired and new proteins are produced to keep your body healthy.
Your bones and muscles also become stronger as your body repairs tiny injuries from the day. After deep sleep, your brain enters REM sleep, where most vivid dreams happen.
Scientists believe REM sleep helps improve learning, creativity, and emotional health.
Your brain organizes everything you learn during the day and stores important memories.
Melatonin is released from the brain. Cortisol and leptin travel through the blood. Ghrelin is generated by the stomach. These hormones shape our daily life.
So how much sleep do you really need? Let's find out. Most healthy adults need between 7 and 9 hours of sleep every night for optimal health.
Children and teenagers need even more sleep because their brains and bodies are still developing.
Weathering the storm of sleeplessness starts with a routine. Train your body to wake up at the same time. This anchors your circadian rhythm and improves your health. Blue light from screens directly alerts the brain. It actively suppresses melatonin production. But as the screen fades, nature takes over, restoring the natural rhythm of deep sleep.
During deep sleep, the body initiates a complex process of restoration. From neural networks to vital organs, harmony is vital for our health and well-being.
During sleep, the body restores its vital systems. As morning approaches, heart rate and blood flow increase, preparing you to wake full of energy. Sleep is vital for your health. It supports your brain and heart. So make sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Goodbye.